A journey of dreams, rhythm, and triumph. A journey where melodies become stories, harmonies become emotions, and every note takes us higher, closer to our aspirations. Let your heart soar, your spirit dance, and your soul embrace the rhythm of the night. This is more than a concert. This is an ascent. This is Ascent, reaching new heights in music. To formally begin our program, please all rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, to be followed by the mix of original Filipino music. First, to the man behind the music, national artist of music, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab, whose compositions have painted the soundscape of our nation with timeless beauty.
And to the voice that first gave life to this masterpiece, the multi-awarded actor and singer whose charisma and artistry helped define a generation, the late Mr. Haji Alejandro.
Let us now experience the beauty, the pride, and the passion of Filipino music.
Performing the award-winning song Kay Ganda ng Ating Musika, please welcome
The Far Eastern University Bamboo Band. This piece is about beginnings and endings, struggles and triumphs, love and loss, and the unbreakable bond between us and the world we share.
As the sun rises over the African savanna, a new life begins, full of promises and possibilities. Like in nature, we too have our own paths to walk, our own stories to tell, and our own destinies to fulfill.
As the first notes fill the air, I would like you to close your eyes, open your hearts, and allow yourself to be in a world where every creature, big and small, has a place in this magnificent circle of life. FU Drum and Bugle Corps, FU Guides, FU Theater Guild, FU Media Center, FU President Mr. Juan Miguel Montinola, FU Vice President for Corporate Affairs Dr. Rowena Capulong Reyes, Senior Vice President for Academic Affairs Dr. Maria Teresa Trinidad Tino, Vice President for Facilities and Technical Services Engineer Edward Kilakiga, Senior Director of the FU Center for the Arts Mr. Martin Lopez, Mr. John Mark Isla, and Ms. Kyla El Chico.
We bring you a special performance that highlights the brilliance of live instruments, showcasing the soulful blend of trumpet, saxophone, guitar, and flute.
Each instrument brings its own unique voice to this piece. The trumpet's soaring notes, the saxophone's warm and expressive tone, the guitar's rhythmic charm, and the flute's light, airy elegance. Together, they create a musical experience that is both vibrant and captivating. So, sit back, relax, and let the music take you on a journey of pure delight.
Let the infectious rhythm and smooth jazz vibes elevate your mood as we group to this timeless classic featuring the dynamic collaboration between our talented saxophone duo, Marlexis Del Mundo and Robin Junicio, flutist John Erin Gonzaga, guitarist Judson Bato, and on the trumpet, the FEU Center for the Arts' very own Mr. John Mark Isla, and of course, the FEU Bamboo Band.
Here it is, Feels So Good, a performance that will lift your spirits and leave you feeling, well, just as the title says, so good. So good. Diana, are you feeling good?
Of course, but let's ask the audience, are you feeling good? Everyone? Parang medyo mahina pa, no?
Are you feeling good, everyone? Alright! For our next performance, we embrace the power of dreams and defy the boundaries that hold us back. The next piece speaks to the courage within us all. The courage to dream big, transcend hurdles, and to reach for what might seem impossible. We continue our journey with music that reminds us to always reach higher and never stop believing.
This familiar piece celebrates the dreams that ignite our passions and the boundless potential of our imagination. Let this song inspire you to believe in the impossible and reach for the stars.
Tonight, we are proud to showcase the incredible musical talents of our very own student artists, blending harmony and heart in a performance that celebrates both dreams and dedication.
Joining forces on stage are the inspiring voices of the FEU Choral, singing alongside the everyday daming FEU Bamboo Band.
Together, they bring us a heartfelt rendition of a song that reminds us all to keep dreaming big. Here is the FEU Bamboo Band with A Million Dreams from the Greatest Showman. Student artist of the FEU Guides.
Mabuhay! I am Dayan Andalio, a junior from the Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management and a student artist from the FEU Theater Guild.
We will be your hosts for this evening. Tonight, we honor not just music, but the courage it takes to innovate, to evolve, and to rise above the ordinary.
Who better to kick off this ascent than a group whose very sound is rooted in tradition, yet continues to push creative boundaries?
Do you have any idea which cultural group it is? Any guesses? Guides, FEU Guides. Are you sure? How about the FEU Choral?
Oh, someone said FEU Theater Guild.
FEU Theater Guild. Ano kaya yung tamang cultural group?
Makikita natin.
They are one of the groups on campus that embodies the Far Eastern University spirit. Bold, dynamic, and brimming with artistry.
Each piece in tonight's program has been carefully chosen to inspire and remind us the incredible heights we can reach together. From soaring anthems to soulful rhythms, let us embark on this journey together and ascend through music.
Crafting melodies from bamboo and transforming indigenous instruments into platforms of imagination, they do not only preserve culture, but also elevate it.
Brace yourselves then as we take the first step in this musical ascent.
This is what we desire. As we move on to the second part of tonight's musical journey, we invite you to experience the power of rhythm and melody that transcends language and culture. Music has an incredible way of bringing people together, creating a universal bond that speaks to the heart and soul. It tells stories, expresses emotions, and allows us to celebrate the rich diversity of the world around us.
Tonight also marks an exciting evolution for the FEU Bamboo Band as they introduce a new instrument to their ensemble. This addition will enrich their sound and expand the spectrum of their musical expression, signifying their ongoing commitment to innovation and creativity to explore the limitless possibilities that music offers. This instrument, which is most likely about 400 to 800 years old, is the djembe, a goblet-shaped West African hand drum played with bare hands.
As we continue our musical journey, prepare to be swept away by the spirit of adventure and self-discovery through a powerful and popular piece from Moana. This song is more than just a melody. It speaks of courage, determination, and finding one's true path.
Bringing this beloved song to life are the vibrant djembe beats played by the members of the FEU Drum and Bugle Corps, namely Mr. Kurt Remo, Miss Princess Julia Cruz, and Mr. Jensen Salvador. The rhythmic energy breathes new life into this piece, reminding us of the endless possibilities that lie ahead.
Sharing her voice to this powerful piece is Miss Samantha Cesar, a senior student from the Institute of Accounts, Business and Finance. Without further ado, continue on your journey through music. Let her remind you to chase your dreams, push your limits, and believe in the strength you carry within.
Here are Mr. Kurt, Miss Princess, Mr. Jensen, Miss Samantha, and the FEU Bamboo Band with the song How Far I'll Go from Moana. Ang Bamboo Band.
Bibigay todo talaga in every performance.
But wait lang, we saw you tapping your feet and bumping your heads, but none of you were dancing.
Alam mo, Dayan, they're seating, but believe me, they were trying their best. Kasi, who could resist Mambo number 5?
Naman. Oh, let's give another round of applause to the Jambay ensemble. The Momo Boys, of course, and the rest of the FEU Bamboo Band.
Before we close tonight's concert, we would like to take a moment to honor some very special individuals who have impacted the musical journey of the FEU Bamboo Band. It is with great pride and that we recognize the hard work, dedication, and talent of our guest artists and graduating members. Their contributions to this concert and to our group have been invaluable.
Please join us in congratulating and thanking our guest artists and graduating members.
To help us present them with certificates of appreciation, we invite on stage Mr. Martin Lopez, Senior Director of the FEU Center for the Arts, Mr. Norberto Cads, Artistic Director of the FEU Bamboo Band, and Ms. Radeline Manalini, FEU Bamboo Band President.
There you go. Hindi ko maano. That's okay. Hindi, nasa FEU concert.
The FEU Bamboo Band awards the Certificate of Appreciation to its former member, Mr. Marlexis Del Mundo.
We recognize another former member of the FEU Bamboo Band, Mr. John Erin Gonzaga.
From the FEU Theater Guild, we thank Ms. Brigida Marilia.
Our djembe players from the Institute of Accounts, Business and Finance, Class of 2026, from the FEU Drum and Bugle Corps, Mr. Kurt Remo.
Also from IABF Class of 2026, Ms. Princess Cruz.
And from the Institute of Education, Class of 2026, Mr. Jensen Salvador.
The FEU Chorale headed by Artistic Director, Mr. Roy Jim Suarez.
Proud alumnus of the FEU Drum and Bugle Corps from the Institute of Arts and Sciences Class of 2018, the FEU Center for the Arts Section Head, Mr. John Mark Isla. Thank you for joining us in this incredible musical journey. We hope you leave tonight feeling empowered to reach for new heights and embrace the dreams and rhythms that make life extraordinary.
As we conclude our ascent, Remember that every step of the way, you are part of the shared experience. We look forward to seeing you again on our next musical journey.
Follow us on our social media platforms on Facebook, Far Eastern University Center for the Arts and Far Eastern University Bamboo Band, and on Instagram at FEU Center Arts and at FEU Bamboo Band.
Also, for the FEU Theater Guild's 91st theater season, I am all inviting you to watch our alumni production, Backstage Manila's Sala sa Pito, written by George De Jesus III and directed by our artistic director, Mr. Dudes Terania. Before we dim the lights, let's give a huge round of applause for the incredible production team who started work behind the scenes brought this entire world to life for you tonight. Please welcome FEU Parade.
And our ushers ensuring the safety of everyone tonight, the FEU Guides.
FEU Bamboo Band's a very own proud team, drummers and kalagong players.
The players of Boom Boom Horn and the Boom Boom Bass.
And now for the table marimbas.
The players of the small marimba.
Technical team, FEU Media Center, Mr. Andre Gonzalez and Mr. Ivan Ginawa.
Let us also call the artistic director of the FEU Bamboo Band, Mr. Norberto Katz and Mrs. Isa Katz. Let's give one final round of applause to everyone who's been a part of our concert tonight. And of course, the proud team of the FEU Bamboo Band. And once again, I am Infinity Paul Navarro.
I am Diana Dalio.
Keep reaching for the stars. Thank you